If you're ready to take control of your WordPress site, or maybe you've just set one up and aren't sure how to get behind the scenes, this tutorial is exactly what you need. Today, I'm going to show you how to log into your WordPress admin area, the dashboard that gives you full power to manage posts, pages, plugins, and so much more. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact steps and little details to find your login screen every time. Whether your site is on the main domain, in a subdomain, or tucked away in a directory. Let's jump right in. For most WordPress sites, logging in starts with your base website address, your domain name. Now here's the trick. You'll want to add a specific suffix to get to the login page. The standard way is to type in yoursite.com/wp-admin into your browser's address bar. So for example, if your website is called migrateblog.com, you'd type migrateblog.com/wp-admin. Hit enter and you should see the familiar WordPress login screen pop up. Alternatively, there's another common path you can use, yoursite.com/wplogin.php. It really doesn't matter which one you pick, both lead to the same place, your dashboard's front door. Sometimes you'll notice that if you simply go to yoursite.com, WordPress might automatically redirect you to the login page, especially if you've tried to access a part of the dashboard without being signed in. That's WordPress being smart and protective, making sure only authorized users get in. If you ever get an unexpected redirect, don't worry, just check the URL in the browser and look for wp-admin or wp-login.php at the end. Now let's make things a bit more interesting. What if your site isn't on the main domain, but instead lives in a subdomain or a separate folder? Maybe you're working on blog yoursite.com, or perhaps your WordPress site is in a folder like yoursite.com/blog. In these cases, the login URL adjusts to follow your site structure. So for a subdomain, just add /wp-admin after the subdomain address. For instance, blog yoursite.com/wp-admin. Or if your WordPress is in a directory, say blog, the login would be yoursite.com/blog/wp-admin. It's a little detail, but it's essential. WordPress needs to know exactly where you want to go. If you're ever unsure, here's a tip. Just try typing /wp-admin after the part of the URL where your site actually loads. If your homepage appears at blog yoursite.com, use that path. If it's at yoursite.com/blog, add /wp-admin to the end. And if you get an error or a blank page, double-check the spelling and make sure you're at the right subdomain or folder. Sometimes it's just a matter of a misplaced letter. One more gentle reminder: if you're not seeing the login page, or the website looks a bit different than you expect, don't panic. Some sites might change their login URL for extra security, using plugins or custom setups. If that's the case for your site, check with whoever set it up, or look in any intro emails you got from your web host. But for most standard WordPress installs, these URLs will get you in every time. And there you have it. Logging into the WordPress admin area is really just about finding the right path. And once you've done it a couple times, it'll become second nature. If you found this walkthrough useful, please hit that like button. It really keeps the tutorials coming. If you've got questions about WordPress, login troubles, or anything else, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy WordPressing.